Also, you'll notice that I started working on what I call the puffy trees, and I made them turn into what I call pussy willow trees because I wanted to erase a little bit, and I found out how fun it was to put that little erased spot in there. So I just went ahead and erased some more, and I got carried away. So I've made this to show you exactly what I did. So I've colored a little bit of tree to sort of match Mr. Puffy Tree up here, and I'm just going to go ahead and take my eraser and just do some little puffy things right here. Never blow on your work. So as long as you can see that, you can do those anywhere you want to in here. And it just makes a really nice change from this part of the picture right here down to this different part here. And it just makes a nice little transition across there.